Hello, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Okay, so I have some seafood. I have some haddock, shrimp, and scallops. I cut the haddock up into smaller pieces, and we're going to actually bake the seafood with this seafood stuffing. Okay? Okay, so this ought to be a great treat because you know, if you bake fish, it's good, but it doesn't really call you like if you were to fry it. But when you add the seafood stuffing on it and bake it, oh, the flavor pops on all of it. All right, so let's do this. Thumbs up, share the video, subscribe. Let's do it. Okay, so here I have some scallops, jumbo shrimp, and haddock fish. Okay, and fish I cut up into smaller pieces. Let me show you, like so. Okay, all right, so now I already seasoned everything. I put black pepper, granulated onion, garlic on the seafood. And I'm going to put the seafood in this bowl. And I'm going to put a little olive oil on the seafood. So I'm going to give that a toss. Like so. Now I'm going to add the seafood stuffing. This is 10 ounces of seafood stuffing. 10 ounces. Okay, I'm going to give it a little color. Let me wash my hands. So I'm going to sprinkle some paprika for color. Okay, this is my pan. I already put olive oil on the pan and rubbed it with a paper towel. Okay, that's what we're looking like. So it's going to be like a casserole, right? Okay, now I'm going to put this in the oven on, I want to go 450 degrees because it's fish, so you know fish cooks pretty fast, alright? Alright, so I'm going to do that until I see it's brown on the top, and I'll be back. Let me give you the word of the day. The word of the day is choices. If you had a choice today, looking back on your life, what would you have done different? Would you have traveled the world? Would you have went to school? Would you have married your first love? What would you do if you could turn back the hands of time? That's a question for you to ask yourself, and you give yourself those answers. This ought to be quite interesting to yourself to find out choices. Did you make the right choices? Did you make choices that you regret? Maybe you might want to comment on that. Okay? The choice is yours. Choices. That's the word of the day. Okay, our seafood and our seafood stuffing is done. So remember to cook fish, and if you're gonna bake any type of fish, you want to cook it until 145 degrees with your thermometer. Okay? So we've reached that temperature. Isn't that pretty? Okay. So I cooked some spinach to go along with it. I'm not going to plate it up. I have company coming. But I just wanted to give you a good look at what it looks like. So when you do yours, you'll know how you can present it to your company. Okay? Okay. I will taste one. And I cooked some spinach to go along with it. Okay. Okay, I have a scallop here. Hot. Oh, it was hot. The seafood is crunchy on the outside. The scallop is nice and moist and sweet. I like it. It's going to be a great dish. Okay, thumbs up, share the video, subscribe. Talk to you on the next one.